Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. I want to give a big whoop whoop to outspoken_5. You were the first one to comment on my last video, so I see you, see me, so I want people to see you. Okay, so whoop whoop. Okay guys, so this video is going to be how I do my aloe vera and hibiscus olive oil. If you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. This is just a really simple way that I infuse my oils. I don't show you guys how I strain it because some people might want to leave in the aloe vera and the hibiscus, but I'm that person. I don't strain it, but if you choose to, you can get a cheesecloth strainer and strain it out, but I like to leave the aloe vera and the hibiscus in, and then I leave it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days because I get a lot of questions on, hey, how do you store it? How long does it last? For me, my oils don't last too long, and then I will remake it. My hair is really long, so my oils don't last that long, and if I do have extra oils, I will dump them all into one container if I have too many oils and too many bottles sitting around, because they all pretty much have the same ingredients in there. So I'm going to stop rambling and just get right into the ingredients. Please pay attention to the screen because the ingredients is on the screen. They will not be down in the description box for you guys, okay? So pay attention to the screen. Okay guys, so that's how I make my aloe vera hibiscus olive oil, infused olive oil. If you give this a try, please leave comments down below. Please don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.